When you need any work done on gas appliances within your home, whether it be a boiler, cooker, gas fire, you need to make sure you get a proper gas safe registered engineer. Now of course you can come to a company like ours where our engineers are gas safe registered, or you can even go onto the Gas Safe Register website where you can actually search any engineers that are local within your area. You can see their details, where they live, and you can see what appliances they're actually qualified to work on and when their certificate actually expires. When that gas safe registered engineer comes to your door, they should have a card like this. It will actually have their photo so you can see that it is who they say they are. It will have their name and it will also have their gas safe number. Again, you can go back to the gas safe website, check the numbers on there, and you can confirm that they are who they say they are. Now for us to become gas safe registered, most of us will have served an apprenticeship or done a good few years, 4 or 5 years in some cases, of training, and then we go and get extensively assessed over a couple of days to gain that registration. Furthermore, we should be inspected every year by a gas safe registered inspector so that they make sure that we're upholding the highest of standards to make sure that you're safe with us and with your appliances, so that when we come into your home and service your appliances or even work on them, fix them, you can be sure that we've actually left them in a safe condition for you and your family. So just to recap, make sure that you check out who you are inviting into your home on that Gas Safe Register website, confirm the ID of these people so that you know that they are trained and certified to the highest standards.